So you've made the call and you cannot be heard. How do I fix that? Now, generally, anything that picks sound is basically a microphone. So that means you have a problem with your microphone. So in this video, I'll show you how to replace the microphone. First of all, you have to open up the phone and then pick out the subboard that holds the microphone, and that's the subboard. Then remove the microphone from that point, and then bring a new microphone and solder it to those points, because the old microphone is basically dead. After that, secure it into the phone. Test it before you close up the entire phone. Test it, test it, test it, test it, and lo and behold, that's how our connection looks like. So yeah, that's it, and this is how the finished product looks of the replaced microphone. Like, share, subscribe to Phone Look.